In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear ClickUp inbox fast. Managing your ClickUp inbox efficiently can save you time and keep your workflow organized. Whether you're dealing with task notifications, updates, or reminders, knowing how to clear your inbox quickly is a skill that can help you stay focused and on top of your work. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of clearing your ClickUp inbox in no time. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your ClickUp account. You can do this by entering your email and password, or by using a connected social login option if you've set one up. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to create one and follow along with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the ClickUp homepage. Look to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where the sidebar is located. From this sidebar, find the option labeled Inbox and click on it. Your inbox will open, showing you a list of your current notifications. Now, take a moment to scan through your inbox. Look for any critical items that may require immediate attention. For example, if there's a task update or a message you need to respond to, you can open it in a new tab or add a reminder for yourself to handle it later. This is an important step to ensure that nothing urgent gets overlooked. Once you've reviewed your inbox, you're ready to clear it. To do this, simply locate the Clear All button. You'll find this button in the top right corner of the inbox. Clicking on it will remove all the current notifications from your inbox, making it clean and ready for new updates. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to save even more time, here's a handy tip. On your keyboard, press the arrow up key followed by the letter E. That's arrow up plus E. This shortcut will clear your inbox instantly. Before you confirm the action to clear your inbox, take a final moment to review your feed. Double-check that you haven't missed any urgent notifications or tasks. Once you're certain everything is in order, go ahead and confirm the action to clear your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your ClickUp inbox quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.